welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin. And before starting, let me tell you that Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida. So the first Hindi medium batch is starting from 9th of December, 3 p.m. is the timing, and the first English medium batch is starting from 12th of December and 6 p.m. is the timing. And if you're traveling by metro, then the nearest metro station is Noida sector 15. And also, if you want to know about the exact location, then link is given in the description box. And also, if you want to know or if you want to receive a call from Drishti IAS, then also the link is given in the description box. You can fill out the form and Drishti will get back to you. So let's begin. First of all, the practice question, and I was just going through the comment section. Most of you people have given the correct answer. So let's begin. Consider the following statements. There are two statements given and we have to talk about the correct statement. First, North Korea and South Korea are separated by the 38th parallel. Second, South Korea shares a land border only with North Korea. So we have to talk about the correct statement. Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So let's see. First of all, North Korea and South Korea both belong to the Korean Peninsula. So the Korean Peninsula is divided into two halves. On the northern side is the North Korea, on the southern side is the South Korea. And North Korea and South Korea are separated by the 38th parallel. So they are separated by the 38th parallel, and alongside the 38th parallel there is a demilitarized zone. So this is the demilitarized zone, and in the demilitarized zone military is not present, as the North Korea and the South Korea are not at good terms with each other. So there is always a chance of both countries entering into loggerheads with each other. So North Korea and South Korea are separated by the 38th parallel. And if we talk about the sharing boundary question, so South Korea, we will see South Korea shares its border only with the North Korea. That is correct. While on the other hand, North Korea does not share its border only with the South Korea. Along with South Korea, North Korea also shares its northern border with China and a very small border with Russia also. So look at this map. This is South Korea, capital is Seoul. This is the 38th parallel which separates the North Korea and the South Korea, and very clearly South Korea on three sides is bordered with a water body, while on the northern side is sharing border with North Korea. So North Korea and South Korea are separated by 38th parallel. Yes. South Korea shares a land border only with North Korea. Yes. How many are correct? Both are correct. So the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. Now moving on to today's session. So the first question is, which of the following are Nordic countries? Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark or Iceland? So out of these 5 countries, which all are Nordic countries, and the codes are 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let us talk about the Nordic countries. So Nordic countries are basically a group of 5 countries, and these 5 countries are part of Northern Europe, and also it is present in the Northern Atlantic side, and also very much close to the Arctic Ocean. And who are these 5 countries? So these 5 countries are Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Iceland. So these are the 5 Nordic countries, and very clearly if you will see, this is the Atlantic Ocean. So they are present in the North Atlantic, and also this is the North European side. So the 5 Nordic countries are Norway, yes; Sweden, yes; Finland, yes; Denmark, yes; Iceland, yes. So it means all 5. So which option is all 5? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the correct answer becomes option D. Now moving on to the next question. Consider the following statements. There are 2 statements given, and then we have to talk about the correct statements. So first statement is, Senegal is a West African country, while Senegal, Gambia, etc. are some of the major rivers here. So the country that is being talked about is Senegal, and then two rivers, that is Senegal and Gambia. So we have to talk about the correct statement. Codes are only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So let us see. So this is the map of the African continent, and if we talk about the country Senegal, then yes, Senegal is a part or is present in the West Africa. So this is Africa. So this is North, this is South, this is West, and this is East. And if we talk about in particular Senegal, then this is the location of the country Senegal, and it is a small country and is located in the West Africa. That is correct. Then if we will zoom out on the map of the country Senegal, then this is the map that we get. So if we will see, this is Senegal. So very clearly, if we will see, then there is a river which is a very prominent river of the country Senegal, and it runs alongside Senegal. So the country Senegal, one of the most important river is Senegal River. So this is the Senegal River. This is the Senegal River. And then if we talk about the other river, then this is the river Gambia. Gambia. So this is the river Gambia. So both river Gambia and Senegal are very important, or are the two rivers which are present in the, or you can say are also the major river which is present in Senegal. So see, Senegal is a West African country, correct? Senegal, Gambia, etc. are some of the major rivers here, correct? We have to talk about the correct code. 1 is correct, 2 is correct. So which one is the correct code? That is option C, both 1 and 2. Now moving on to today's next question. So that is, let us see. Okay, consider the following water bodies. So there are 4 water bodies given, and we have to talk about which of the above water bodies is related to France. So North Sea, English Channel, Bay of Biscay, or Bay of Lions. So these are the 4 water bodies, and which all are related to France. Only 1, only 2, 3 and 4, only 2 and 3, or all of the above. Let us see. If we will talk about France, then France is a country which is present in the European continent, and one of the big, if we talk about land wise, then one of the biggest countries, and also one of the important, or you can say biggest economies. And France, Paris is also the fashion capital of the world. So this is France. And if we talk about country wise, then France is bordered with Spain, Belarus, Germany, then there is Switzerland, then there is Italy. Now if we talk about the water bodies, then this is France. So France shares its southeast France shares border with the Gulf of Lions. So this is Gulf of Lions. While southwest France shares its border with Bay of Biscay. While the northwest, it shares its border with the English Channel. So English Channel is between United Kingdom on the north and France on the south. While in northwest, it shares its very little border with the North Sea also, because North Sea, if you will see the area, then North Sea covers this area of United Kingdom, Netherlands, Belgium. So the northwestern border of France, it shares its border with the North Sea. So basically France is sharing its border with all 4 water bodies, that is Bay of Biscay, Gulf of Lions, English Channel and North Sea. So which of the above water bodies is related to France? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all 4 it is sharing its border. So the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question. Consider the following countries located around the Persian Gulf, and which of the above country is or are not a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council. See, there are 2 aspects in this question. First, they are located around the Persian Gulf, and secondly, it is asking about which of them are not member of GCC, that is Gulf Cooperation Council. So there are 6 countries given, that is Saudi Arabia, Oman, Iran, Iraq, Bahrain or Qatar. And options are only 3, only 2, 3 and 4, only 3 and 4, only 3, 4 and 5. Let us see. So if we will look at the map, then this is the map of Arabian Peninsula, and this is the Persian Gulf. So we are basically talking about the countries which are around the Persian Gulf but are not the member of the GCC. So basically, let us first look at the countries which are around Persian Gulf. Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, then there is Kuwait, then there is Oman, then there is Iraq, then there is Iran. Now we have to talk about the countries which are not member of GCC. So what is GCC? GCC is Gulf Cooperation Council. Name itself is telling that the countries of the Gulf region are part of it. So it is basically an organization of 6 countries, and these 6 countries are Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia. So these are 6 countries. Iran and Iraq are not part of it. So GCC is a political and economic alliance. It was established in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia in the year 1981. And what is the objective of GCC? Its objective is to promote economic, security, cultural and social cooperation. So Iraq and Iran are not its partner. So let us remove Iraq and Iran. So Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain and Qatar are its partner. Iraq and Iran are not its partner. So 3 and 4. So, and the question is asking not a member. So Iraq and Iran are not a member. It means 3 and 4. So which option talks about 3 and 4? That is option C. Only 3 and 4. Now moving on to the next question. Which statement is correct regarding the country Somalia? So it is talking about the country Somalia. So there are 3 options. So there are 4 options. Let us read. First, Somalia has the longest coastline on mainland Africa. Second, the equator passes right through the middle of this country. Right through the middle of this country. Third, Socotra Island is located near it, which comes under the administration of Somalia. It is talking about Socotra Island. Fourth, Somalia's border touches Ethiopia, Eritrea, Kenya and Djibouti. So now let us see. First of all, we are talking about the country Somalia, and the country Somalia is present in the African continent. And if we talk about the Somalia country, so this is Somalia. So you can say that it is present in the central eastern side. So you can say this is the center of African continent and this is the eastern side of African continent. So if we talk about the country in the African continent which has the longest coastline, then the correct answer is Somalia. Somalia has a coastline of around 3,300 kilometers. So you can say it is around 3,300 plus kilometers coastline, and it is the longest in the African continent. Then if we talk about equator, so the line which I am drawing is the equator. Equator does pass through Somalia, that is correct, but it does not pass through middle of Somalia. It is passing through the southern side of Somalia. So if this is Somalia, you see this is equator. So it is passing through the southern Somalia, not of the middle Somalia. What does the other question talks about? Socotra Island is located near it, which comes under the administration of Somalia. So if we will talk about the Socotra Island, then this is Somalia. This is the Socotra Island present in the Indian Ocean. Socotra Island, this is the Socotra Island, is very close to Somalia, that is correct. But it is not under the administrative control of Somalia. It is under the administrative control of UAE. It is not under the administrative control of Somalia. So Somalia has the longest coastline on mainland Africa. Yes. The equator passes through the middle of this country. No. Socotra Island is located near it while it comes under the administration of Somalia. No. Somalia's border touch Ethiopia, Eritrea, Kenya and Djibouti. Let us see. So see, this is Somalia. So the surrounding countries of Somalia are, it is sharing border with the southern border with Kenya, western border with Ethiopia and northern border it is sharing with Djibouti, and the eastern border it is sharing with the Indian Ocean. So the country with which it does not share its border is Eritrea, because between Eritrea and Somalia comes Djibouti. So D also becomes wrong. It does not share its border with Eritrea. So out of all four, which is the correct? First is the correct. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Now moving on to the next question. Which of the following countries are Armenia's neighbor? Armenia's neighbor. So that is Georgia, Russia, Iran, Turkey or Iraq. Choose the correct code. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 3 and 4, 3, 4 and 5. So out of these four countries, which are the countries which shares border with Armenia? So let us see. So if we talk about the country Armenia, then Armenia is a country which lies in the Caucasus region, in the region of the Caucasus Mountains, and Armenia is a landlocked country and it remains in news very much because of its conflict with the surrounding countries and the neighbor countries, that is Azerbaijan. So this is the country Armenia. And if we talk about the surrounding countries or bordering countries of Armenia, then that is, to its north lies Georgia, to its east lies Azerbaijan, to its south lies Iran, and to its west lies Turkey. So it is not sharing its border with Russia. With Russia, it is not sharing its border. Russia shares border with Georgia and Azerbaijan, not with Armenia. So Georgia, yes. Russia, no. Turkey, yes. And which other was it? It was Iran, not Iraq, because Iraq, if you will see, it shares its border with Turkey and Iran. So Iraq gets eliminated and Russia gets eliminated. So 2 and 5 gets eliminated. Correct answer becomes 1, 3 and 4. So which quote talks about 1, 3 and 4? Let us see. It is 1, 3 and 4. That is option C. So the correct answer for this question becomes option C. Consider the following. Which of the above are related to Canada? So there are four entities given. Which of it are related to Canada? Laurentian Plateau, Bering Sea, Labrador Sea and Lake Michigan. Codes are 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 4. So let us see which is related to Canada. So if we will talk about Canada, then Canada is a country which lies in the North American continent and it lies to the north of US. So this is Canada. If we talk about the entities which shares border with the Canada, so let us first start with the Bering Sea. So this is the Bering Sea. So Bering Sea does not share its border with Canada because in between comes Alaska region of US. So it shares its border with Alaska, which is a region of the US. So with Canada, it does not share its border. So Bering Sea gets eliminated. Then comes the Labrador Sea. So if you will see the Labrador Sea, this is the location of the Labrador Sea. It lies to the east of Canada and very clearly it is sharing border with Canada. So Labrador Sea becomes correct. Then comes Lake Michigan. So Lake Michigan does not share border with Canada as Lake Michigan completely lies in the US. So this region of the Canada and the US is the region where the 5 Great Lakes are associated, and Lake Michigan, if we talk about, then Lake Michigan completely lies in US. Then what is left? Laurentian Plateau, Labrador Sea, yes. Bering Sea, no. Lake Michigan, no. Then we have to talk about the Laurentian Plateau. And if we talk about the Laurentian Plateau, then yes, Laurentian Plateau is present in Canada and it is present in the eastern Canada. So this is the place where this plateau is known as the Laurentian Plateau, the eastern Canada. So Laurentian Plateau is correct. So which all are related to Canada? So first and third. While 2 and 4 are not related, Laurentian Plateau and Labrador Sea are related. So the correct answer becomes option A. Now moving on to the next question, and this is the practice question, and like always you people will give me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, arrange the following in the order from north to south. North to south means this is north, this is south. So in the downward direction. Ramsar, Stockholm, Bonn or Vienna. So these are the cities, you have to arrange them in the north to south direction. Ramsar, Stockholm, Bonn and Vienna, and the codes given are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1 and 4, 2, 3, 1. So these are the 4 codes and these are the 4 cities. Arrange them from north to south. And what else? Give me the answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.